In this video, we listed the 5 best wet grinders that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Butterfly Smart 2. The Butterfly Smart Wet Grinder is a reliable kitchen appliance designed for efficiency and durability, featuring a sleek white and gray aesthetic. With dimensions of 22D×23W×42H centimeters and a bowl capacity of 2 liters, this grinder is equipped with a powerful 150-watt motor capable of 1,300 revolutions per minute, ensuring uniform grinding pressure through its innovative 4-way grinding system. Constructed from shockproof acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS) material, it includes a stainless steel drum and polycarbonate lids for added longevity. The unit operates at a voltage of 220-240V and comes with a variety of components such as a main unit, SS drum, lid, roller stone, lock knob, spatula, and a user manual with a warranty card, although it does not include a donator. The grinder operates with a single-speed setting and is designed to be hand-washed, making it a practical addition to any culinary setup. Number 2. Prestige Plastic Wet Grinder. The Prestige Grinder in Black offers a compact and stylish addition to any kitchen with its attractive design and efficient performance. Measuring 49 cm in length, 30 cm in width, and 31 cm in height, this medium-sized appliance features high-quality grinding stones and a durable stainless steel drum, ensuring fast and consistent grinding. With a powerful 200-watt motor and a generous 2-liter capacity, it is ideal for various grinding tasks. Built from sturdy plastic, this grinder weighs 11,200 grams, making it robust yet manageable. It comes with a 1-year warranty on the product and a 5-year warranty on the motor, providing peace of mind for prolonged use. Number 3. SmartFingers Comfort Plus. The SmartFingers Comfort Plus tabletop grinder is an efficient kitchen appliance designed for grinding, featuring a powerful 150W motor that operates at 1350 RPM when empty, and a drum size of 240mm x 180mm to accommodate a bowl capacity of 2 liters. Built with a lightweight ABS body and durable AISI 3.0 for food-grade stainless steel roller holder, this grinder provides both longevity and ease of cleaning. It offers 3 speed settings for versatile grinding tasks and comes equipped with essential components, including a silicone spatula and a user guide. With dimensions of 27.5D×30W×46.5H centimeters and a total weight of 12.5 kilograms, it is conveniently designed for tabletop use. The product includes a doorstep service option for customers in select southern Indian states and offers a 5-year warranty, ensuring reliability and peace of mind. Optional attachments, such as the atar kneader and masala drum, are available for separate purchase on Amazon, enhancing its functionality. Number 4. DGMR YJ 666 Grinder. The DGMR YJ Works Tabletop Wet Grinder, featuring a vibrant orange and gray design, is an efficient kitchen appliance with a capacity of 2 liters, ideal for grinding cereals, spices, and other food items. It is constructed with durable stainless steel blades that ensure heavy-duty and rust-resistant performance. With compact dimensions of 20D×12W×12H centimeters and a weight of 12 kilograms, this grinder is designed for stability and ease of use. It operates with a single speed using button controls and consumes 150 watts of power on a 230-volt supply. Although not dishwasher safe, its robust design facilitates easy cleaning and maintenance, making it a valuable addition to both home and commercial kitchens. This model also includes a coconut scraper and an atar kneader for added versatility, providing hassle-free and noise-free operation while ensuring efficient grinding. Number 5. Butterfly Hippo 2. The Butterfly Hippo is a compact grinder designed to enhance your culinary experience with its built-in grinder feature. Measuring 47.5 centimeters in depth, 28 centimeters in width, and 30.5 centimeters in height, it boasts a bowl capacity of 2 liters, making it ideal for both small and larger tasks. With a powerful 150-watt motor operating at 220 to 240 volts, it facilitates a uniform grinding experience with its 4-way grinding system and operates at a single speed of 1,300 revolutions per minute. This sturdy appliance is constructed from shockproof acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS) material, ensuring durability, while the detachable stainless steel drum and roller stones allow for easy maintenance, although hand washing is recommended as it is not dishwasher safe. Additional features include unbreakable and transparent polycarbonate lids, an 180 cm cord, and a complete set of accessories, including a spatula and user manual with warranty card, ensuring a convenient and reliable option for your kitchen needs.